Okay, what's up, traders? So hope you're having a good weekend. Okay, it's actually quite late over at our place. It's like 12 midnight, but just wanted to record this video just for you so that you'll be able to better plan for your trades because we kind of predict that next week is going to be a hard week to trade. So this video is for you. Okay, so let us just look at the Forex calendar. Okay, so now we're at Forex Factory. You can see over here that next week we have ECB, right? Monetary policy statement as well as the ECB press conference. Okay, so with that being said, right, we expect that from Monday to Thursday, price will be rather constipated. Okay, we don't expect price to move much and it will be very hard to trade. Okay, after Thursday, we have probably one good day of trading, which would be Friday. Okay, so if you're going to trade, be patient. Okay, don't expect price to move like trend like the previous week. Okay, you just be more patient with your trades, and we probably will send less trades because of this. Okay, so now let's just go into the charts. Okay, so this is DXY. Okay, in the previous analysis, or rather previous week, we said that price is going to violate the swing high here, stop people out and sell down, and that's exactly what it has done. Okay, very we were spot on in our analysis. So now the question is what's up with DXY right now? Okay, so let me just move this up. Okay, what is up with DXY right now? So actually we are seeing that there's some support here. Okay, this zone is a very strong level. Okay, we haven't actually came out a lesson about supply and demand, but we also look at supply and demand. Okay, how do we look at supply and demand? We look at the departure of the level. Okay, so if you look at this zone over here, it kind of like this pattern. It's like a piercing pattern. We call this a rally base and a rally in supply and demand if you are trading supply and demand. Okay, we haven't really provided much details about this, but just give us some time. We'll create more content. We maybe even write an article about how to identify supply and demand. But for now, just take it from us that this is a very strong zone. Okay, reason for it is look at the departure of this zone. Okay, you see one very big bullish candle here, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 bullish candles of this level. Okay, so that means that this is a very important demand level. Okay, so this zone over here, now we are coming to the demand level, so we're expecting it to have a bounce. Okay, at least a bounce, whether it comes up here and then it comes down or not, or it just bounces off, we have to see. Okay, but bear in mind that we are still in uptrend. So if you see as obvious as it gets, this is a high, this is a low. Okay, this is a higher high, so we are still in uptrend. So we're definitely looking more for dollar to strengthen, because this is DXY, which represents dollar, US dollar. So we're probably expecting dollar to strengthen. Okay, to strengthen in the short term. Okay, so now let's go to the next currency that we want to talk about today. Will be euro dollar. Okay, so euro dollar, okay, this was the support that was broken, and now it kind of violated, go up higher. Now price is still below that, and you kind of see that this is a very big a very big engulfing candle. Okay, right, it closed near the top also, so that means that this level here is very strong, right? But now we're having some form of bearishness, okay, at this resistance level. Okay, however, we're still in a downtrend, so we want to sell. Okay, but we also want to be careful of this entire zone here. Okay, let me just maybe switch to H4. Okay, so we still want to sell, and here we kind of see a bit of a head and shoulder. Okay, not too sure you can see it. Let me just okay, this is the left shoulder, right? This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, can just a moment. Okay, so we're expecting price to come down. Okay, but this, as I said, this movement here is very strong. Okay, let me just highlight here. This upward movement is very strong, So we want to be more careful a bit. If we're going to short, we are probably going to take profits quicker. Right? We're not going to expect like price to trend on the way down here. Yeah, of course, price might do that, but we are more, if we're going to take any short, we want to take profit at the recent low. Okay. Another thing to take note is that this counter trend move up, right, is quite bullish, you see. This is like a impulsive wave, and this is like corrective. So if you study Elliott wave, you know that price moves with impulses and corrective waves. So normally if you have impulse like and this is corrective in nature, right, then the next move will probably be another impulse up. Okay. But now at this moment, it's not very clear. Okay, if we see a very nice break of this level, we might take a short. But we also take note that this is a bullish impulsive move, and this is correction. Okay, so we also might still see a movement up here to here. Okay, so Euro at this time is not too clear. So we don't want to give any clear, like clear instructions on how to trade it or stuff like that. But just know that next week is going to be pretty difficult. So you want to be very selective in the trades that you take. So on like pairs such as this, you're not too sure what to do, or like price is neither here nor there, then it's better to stay out of it. Okay. Okay. Next currency, everyone's favorite pair. Okay, we talked about this last week too, about it doing a fake out. Let me just clear everything first. Fake out. So true enough, it fake out, and then it starts selling down. So in a sense, gold, it's kind of like DXY in the sense that we are seeing that this is a very good demand zone here. Okay, right, because of the big engulfing candle of this zone. So price is now currently at the demand, and if you draw a trend line, if you connect the recent low, you can see that price is just nice sitting on the trend line. Okay. One more important thing to note is also that this was a swing low. Okay. So as we always say, right, price has to take out the stop losses. So there are a lot of people who bought here, right, and they put their stop losses here, right, below the swing low, right? Pretty textbook example. Okay. But you are smarter than that, correct? Because you watch our videos, you know that you shouldn't be putting stop losses, on like swing low, swing highs, because they have very high probability of being stop out. Okay, so there's a lot of stop losses here. So now that price has did a stop hunt, then where is price likely to go? Right after the shakeout comes the real move. So we're expecting price to go higher. Okay, so for gold it's clearer. Okay, we kind of want to buy, but now the candle is still bearish. Maybe you wait for a bullish daily candle. Okay, before buying it. And of course, our first level of take profit would probably be the recent high. Okay, 1552.29. Of course, this is for swing trading. If you're going to trade like H4, H1, then of course you might manage it differently. But at this moment, okay, if we are doing a swing trade, we are looking to buy somewhere at this zone, and just take profit at the top of the range. Okay, some more our analysis for the Forex calendar shows that it's going to be difficult to trade. It's going to be a range bar week, so it's better to take buy low, sell high rather than to buy low and hold it. Okay. So see how we always relate back our analysis to the Forex calendar, right? What the Forex calendar tell us. So the Forex calendar is very, very, very crucial. Okay, if you have not grabbed our book about how to use a Forex calendar to predict market movements, just like we just did, right? Please go grab the book. Okay, it's only like it doesn't cost you much money, $14 or something, and you can read it in like 30 minutes. Okay, so please go get a book if you have not. Okay, so that's it for gold. Okay, next currency we want to talk about is a pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is a bit more tricky. Okay, I mean if you look, this was the recent high. So what do we always say? Price must always whip out the stop losses. So you see the wicks here and here has actually whipped out all the stop losses. Okay, but you look at this departure, this one candle, two candle, three candles is very bullish. Okay, so it's kind of like yes, we expect that after the stop losses are wiped out, price will retrace down. But if you look at the impulsiveness of this move, right? Okay, you look at this entire move up, it's very bullish. You compare this, right, with this movement here, okay? It took so much more candles and more, you know, like rally, retrace, rally, retrace, rally, retrace, rally, retrace, right? This one is just like a one direction, okay? So for pound dollar will be more bullish, right? Just that we probably want price to retrace a bit lower, okay? So maybe let me just give you some levels. Let me see if I can get you some levels, okay? So let's change the line chart, okay? So price, of course, if you look at the recent high, there's one level over here. So price, if you look at it, this point of view, then price is covering at support right now, okay? Coupled with the fact that, you know, this is a nice rally, right? We could look for buying opportunities around 1.2288 level, okay? And of course, the market structure-wise, we are also pretty bullish because you see this was the high, low, lower high, lower low, okay? It close above this, okay? If you look at the microstructure, okay, you will see that this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So we are kind of like an uptrend, okay? So bullish bias on this, okay? Where does price, or rather where can price go to? Okay, probably the next level, which is somewhere around here. Okay, you're not sure you want the exact level, change to the line chart. Okay, draw a line here. Okay, this zone or as well as this zone here. Okay, then you switch back to the candlestick chart. Okay, so this is the two levels that you're probably looking at if you are buying, right? Of course, this again for swing trades. Sometimes you might take shorter term trades, but if you're looking at long-term levels, not really long-term levels, but like you know, for the week, right? Because we're doing this weekly analysis video. You're looking at the levels for the week, then these are probably some levels you want to be looking at. Okay. Okay, next currency will be a dollar yen. Okay, let me just clear everything. And this is daily. Okay, so dollar yen is I think it's quite clear. Okay, let me just draw. Okay, you can see that there's actually kind of like a inverted head and shoulders. Not too sure. Left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Neckline is broken as well. Okay, price also close above all these highs, but the problem is that price didn't close above this high and this high. So we want to be a bit more cautious. Okay, let me just draw. Okay, all these highs, right, are close above. However, price isn't close above this high as well as this high. Okay, so I mean, kind of next week is going to be a tough week, so we expect price to be trapped within these three zones. Okay, if we want to buy, ideally we want to see a bullish close above 107.097. Okay, and if we want a sell, we probably want a daily close below this candle low, which is 106.62. Okay, a close below this will open up more weakness to the pair. But right now we are seeing that price will probably consolidate between this entire zone. Okay, but we are more poised towards buying. Okay, buying to the next level, which is probably the recent higher. Okay, let me see if I can get you any more levels through the H4. Just a moment. Okay, H4 wise, nothing too fancy, nothing. But then again, you see that this, this is very bullish, impulsive, and this is kind of corrective. Okay, so we still prefer to be buying, right? Follow the trend, follow the structure. Okay, if you are doing selling, then you are actually trading counter trend. Okay. So this one you can buy, but only if the condition is met. Okay, the condition that 107.097 is broken on the daily, meaning that a day candle actually close above the level. Okay. Okay, next currency would be Kiwi dollar. Okay, Kiwi is one of the strongest pairs. Okay, this kind of movement down, it's kind of like it's very weak movement down. Okay, when you see candles like that, like compression and it goes nowhere, up, down, down, when price tend to retrace back, it tends to just smash through this entire thing and just start rallying. Okay, So if you can next time like look through other examples, you see that whenever price is, it's very undecisive and it trails downwards like that, right? Whenever there's a retracement up, the retracement tend to be very fast and steep. Okay, so with that being said, we expect Kiwi dollar to retrace higher. Okay, probably towards the recent low here. Okay, let me just switch to the line chart. Okay, just try to perfect my line. Okay, maybe something like that. Okay, so we probably see more upside. Okay, for this pair. Let me see if I can get you a level. Okay, so currently levels to buy would probably be this one here. Okay, you see one touch, two touch, and retested here. Okay, and also probably this level. Let me just show it. This level here. Okay, one touch here. Retrace, right? Broken, retrace as resistance, and then tested as resistance again. Bounce off. So we're probably looking at this level to buy. Okay, if you want to know how we draw these levels, just enroll for our course. We teach you using a 4-step process to how to draw, support and resistance line. Okay. Okay, so we're probably seeing more upside towards this, towards 0.64905. Okay, this one is very straightforward, but of course we want to get in at a good level if possible. Okay, because when price comes to this level, you must watch your reaction. Don't just buy off this level because you say it. Okay, I mean, as a general rule of thumb, always do your own analysis, right? Try to come up with your own ideas, then rather than just follow us strictly. I mean, if you're not following our signals and you want to execute your own trade, right? Come up with your own ideas, because that will give you a conviction, or rather the belief to hold through, to stick to your trade when your trade is in the drawdown. Okay, but this is a disclaimer: if you're using our signals, make sure you follow it as it is. Okay, but if you're doing your own trading, which I know that most of you guys are doing your own trading, coming out with your own analysis, then just take our analysis with a pinch of salt. Put down the levels just to take note. Okay. So I think last currency I want to talk about is getting late, so it's pretty tired. But this last currency I want to talk about will probably be Aussie dollar. Okay, so Aussie dollar, it's quite clear, so it's pretty bullish. Okay, this is a low. This is a equal low, right? So this is your double bottom. Okay, no matter how you draw the line, be it this way, or however you draw it, the conclusion is still the same, right? The conclusion is that there's a reversal. Okay, the only problem right now is that if you look left, correct, you see that there's market structure here and there's market structure here, right? And guess where price is at now? Okay, price is at the market structure or resistance. Okay, so we want to get in a good level, okay, which probably be about 68.68, okay, round number, okay, plus minus. We want to be buying off these levels because it's used to be resistance. So we expect that when price retraces to this level here, we should be buying it up. Okay, if it retraces, it may not retrace, it might just go like that straight. But if it retraces, then we'll be looking for opportunities to buy off this level for further move up. Okay. Yep. So I think that's about it. Okay. I think we didn't really record every single pair, okay, because it's getting late and quite tired. But I mean, if you have a question, okay, you have a currency that you want us to analyze for you, just comment down below. Okay. And we can always just record a video tomorrow, right, when the markets are open, right? And for now, yeah, I think that's it. So if you're not subscribed to our videos, to our channel rather, please do, because we create videos like that to help you. Okay, we're committed to helping you become a better trader. Okay, but you won't get there if you do not put in effort. Okay, so our videos is free. Okay, we just record it just for you to learn, to show you how we think. Okay, we're coming out with more educational series, such as talking about how to identify trend, how to use indicators, as well as how to draw supply and demand zones. Like earlier we talked about it. That's a video that we're going to record just for you. So just let us know what you think. Okay, let us know how we can help you. Okay, because we lost a lot of money before, and we don't want that to happen to you. Okay, so let us know, and till then we'll see you in the next video.